second half of our competition. So please, if you have no more shopping, we'd love for you to shop all your money over here. And come on back over here in about 5 minutes, 5 quick minutes. All right? And then also we're going to start off with our raffle, so make sure you have your raffle ticket, that you get them out and get ready, because we're going to announce the winners in just a few minutes right here, okay? Thank you. For Wells Fargo, please come and see me up here. Alright, you're looking for a debit visa for Wells Fargo, please don't hesitate, come on up here and let me know the last one on the phone. And you'll get it.
Yeah, because I do adjust my focus.
If not, super shopping. If you're not, they're buying something to It's time to do a raffle. We're going to do a couple of raffles, okay? We want to thank you for supporting our raffle group up here. Our first item we're going to raffle off is a padel. And you know we all love padels. Who cannot do without a padel? We got a padel for everything. Oh my gosh, that's... Girlfriend, that is beautiful. I might want to even win that myself. What number do we have here? All right, our first ticket number. All right. 662-187. 662-187. Last three numbers is 187. Do we have a winner? Going once. Going twice. Okay, new history.
Do you want to welcome?
All right, they gave me a cordless mic so I can come closer. I told them, we'll be nervous when we come up here. Okay, next ticket. What? And the next ticket belongs to 662. The last three is 211. 211. winner. Last three numbers, 2, 1, 1. Oh, right here. Okay.
Everybody, the whole group stand there.
Where are you from, Mama? You from the Philippines? Where do you live now? In Cerritos, right here. This is your backyard probably, huh? Well, good. Next time you win some, you gotta hoop, holler, and shout so we know where you at. All right. And we're gonna, and by the way, that pot ale was from Auntie Lucy's booth. Auntie Lucy is actually our head judge over here. Okay, what's our next ticket here? And we got a wonderful t-shirt. Let me see what the size. Large. Okay, that's too small for me. This is from the Bella Hula booth. Last three numbers is 191. 191. 662 191. Do we have a winner? Do we have a winner? Going once? Going twice?
Did you do the book?
Hello? Okay, history. Next ticket. Our next ticket is 662084. 084. Do we have a winner? Ah! Good girl. Good. From the same family. Same family. Sister. Hey, you Philippines can't win no more, okay? You from Carson? Oh yeah, I like Carson. Yeah. So you, you know I'm from Carson, girl. Don't be playing with me. Stop! You, girl.
Oh my gosh.
Don't be telling people my family history over here. Oh. From Carson. She's a Filipino from Carson, all the way from Carson. You know Carson? Got more Samoans in Carson than there is out in Samoa. Okay, one more and then we're going to start our competition. Oh, they said two more. Okay, we have,
what number?
we got a gift box here from Hula Makana. Okay, whatever's in this box, you can guarantee it'll make you want to hula. Okay, the last three numbers is 100 662 100. Anybody? Going once? You better scream, hoop, holler, and shout, mama. Act like you just won $1 million. That's what I'm talking about. Get savage, get wild. Okay, take care of that box, okay, mama? Yeah, that box gonna make you hula all night long. Woo! And this is our last raffle. This is a beautiful necklace from who? From Mommy's booth. Okay? And the last three numbers is 289. 289. We got a beautiful necklace. 662 289. Where is she? Don't take it over there. Let me hear her holler. Act like you want it, girl. You better scream, holler, and shout. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Thank you. Well, thank you. Okay. Right here, mama. Right there. Come over here. You don't have to go around. Okay. Thank you. All right, how about another round of applause for all our winners? All right, congratulations. Okay, if we can have all right, give me 1 second. We're going to give the microphone to this lovely young lady here.
Hello. Hi, so I wanted to clarify what round 2 is for Hura Tahiti. Every year for Hura Tahiti, we have groups that are about 30 or more, have 30 or more contestants in their group. We condense it down to a second elimination, which we call round 2. And so from the second elimination, we pick dancers to make it into finals. Not every age category and not every category, whether it's beginner or advanced, will have a round 2. So there's a lot of dancers that are asking that question, even leaders, but I want to just clarify again, round 2 is for really huge groups that have contestants that are 30 or more contestants in a category, and we are condensing it down for second elimination to pick for our finals. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let us know and then we'll try to clarify that for you guys again. Thank you.
All right, we're going to let our drummers kind of, pick things up just a little bit here, play a couple of numbers, and then we are going to start off with round 2, starting off with our females in the age category. They're beginners in the age category of 8 to 11. So drummers, go ahead and kind of give us a little warm-up beat there. Get that tarot moving in our bellies. Woo! That lunch was good. How many of you had a good lunch? Yeah, I can tell you're hardly moving up there and you're hardly talking to me now. Alrighty, we'll give you a chance to shop some more, but in a few minutes here. Like I said, we're going to just warm up a little bit with a few drum beats, and then we're going to start our elimination round here.
It's okay? The laptop? Yeah.
round of applause for our drummers. Doing a fabulous job for us today, drumming all day long from the morning until the sun goes down. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to acknowledge a few people here that actually are helped out in preparing for today's competition. First of all, we'd like to acknowledge Tahiti Tourism. They are always making sure that we get our judges here, fly from Tahiti to here. So we want to thank you for sponsoring. Also, Checkerboard is doing live streaming for the competition. How about a round of applause for these two? Live streaming on Checkerboard. So if you want to see yourself, go on Checkerboard. Okie dokie, and check yourself out, because you are on the Checkerboard. Hello? And then also, how about a round of applause for Mr. Bryson? He's our photographer. Bryson, turn around and wave to your fans. That's what Bryson, there's Bryson right there. Bam! So judges, if you want a special picture, just say, Bryson, turn around. And Bryson will go bam. There, that's your picture. Gonna put it on Checkerboard too. Alrighty. In a few minutes, are we almost ready with our round 2 elimination contestants? Okay. As soon as they give me the thumbs up, we're gonna make it happen here for you guys. Also, don't forget, if you lost a Visa debit card from Wells Fargo, please come up here and see us. We'll be more than happy to go shopping with you on your card. Okie dokie? All right. All right, once again, we're going to be doing our round 2. This is elimination. This is females, ages 8 to 11. All righty, we got our first 5. We got number 33, 35, 38, 39, and 42. Come on, give these little ones a great big round of applause. Oh yeah. All right, hold on. Okay, judges are getting their papers together in a few seconds here. As soon as they give us the thumbs up, they'll let us rock and roll. Don't forget, just a quick reminder, if you just walked in, these lovely young ladies that are out on the dance floor, this is round 2 for them. Elimination right now. These are females in the age category of 8 to 11, and they are beginners. Lovely beginners. I'm telling you, they said beginners, but they all look so awesome that I feel like they were more than beginners. Oh yeah. All right, the judges are all set. Drummers, take it away. A great big round of applause for these winners. Great job, girls. Make sure the judges can see your number. Take a bow, and please exit to your right. Thank you so much, ladies, and good luck to each and every one of you guys. Coming up, we got number 43, 45, 47, 48, and 49. Once again, this is round 2, eliminations for females beginners 8 to 11. Judges are ready? Drummers, take it away.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, yes. And coming up just behind them, we have contestants numbers 50, 53, 54, and 55. Again, round 2, female ages 8 to 11. Judges ready? Drummers, take it away. In the round 2 elimination. Make sure the judges can see your numbers. Lovely ladies, take a bow and you may exit to your right. Thank you so much and good luck to each and every one of you guys. Thank you. Coming up is round 2 eliminations in the advance, ages 12 to 15. Number 113, 114, 115, and 116. Once again, these are advanced lovely ladies in ages 12 to 15. Judges are ready? Time out. Okay. All right. We've got an exciting crowd here. I love it. The energy is really high in here. Thank you so much. Judges are ready? Drummers, take it away. take a bow, and great job. You may exit to your right. And good luck to each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much. Coming up is 119, 120, 121, 122. Oh yes, what beautiful colors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Judges, are we ready? Drummers, take it away. Wonderful. Lovely ladies, because you're always shaking so hard, make sure the judges can see your numbers, okay? Thank you so much, and you may exit to your right.
And coming up, we have contestants numbers 124, 126, 130, and 131. Judges ready, drummers, take it away.
Our four contestants, 124, 126, 130, and 131. Great job, ladies. Take a bow and exit to your right. And good luck to each and every one of you guys. Coming up are our last four in this age category. Round 2, 133, 136, 137, and 140. Once again, these are our last four for round 2, advanced dancers. Judges are ready, drummers, take it away. For the advanced category are females ages 12 to 15. Make sure our judges can see your number and you may exit to the right. Thank you so much.